This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Rita Vestal. Beautiful ranch home with basement sits on 3.75 acres. Nice long paved driveway heading up to a big flat yard at top and rolling beautiful front and backyard with nice trees, several dogwoods, pretty landscaping and awesome mountain views in the front. This is a perfect home for sharing family and friend time with large indoor and outdoor space. Sellers choosing to go back home, so this is your perfect chance to make this your forever home. We'll have Stanley Steamer clean carpet just so you can be ready to move in quickly. Owners installed Koelher New Bath Shower in master bathroom. New motor for jacuzzi in the main bathroom, new roof. A perfect man cave in the 2-car detached garage with a wood stove, 24 feet by 40 feet, also wood stove stays. Attached shed on back 12 feet by 40 feet width. 210 hookup for welder. New 10 feet by 7 feet and 9 feet by 7 feet detached garage doors put into fit truck. Deck wood. Replaced under deck, water line repaired outside garage. Basement area has a 1-car attached garage. And another nice craft room, whatever you might need to make it for your joy. This house has so much to enjoy. All work was done August 2020 and paperwork to show proof. For more information, review the details below or contact Rita Vestal at 865-693-1111.